Hello everyone from Cyber World. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer, aka Mrs. Poor Man.
And I'm Richard, also known as Mr. Poor Man.
And today's video, we are coming to you from home.
Yes, we've done this from home this week because we wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This week we have a returning guest, a special guest who wanted to say something, so let's take a look.
Hello Cyber World! Long time no see. Christine here, aka Mini Poor Man, is back just to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and please subscribe to the video and give it a thumbs up if you like it. And also, a little surprise, aka Baby Poor Man wanted to say hello as well. Enjoy the video and happy holidays. Bye-bye.
Okay, and back to the video. This week we're going to show you what we did. We made a couple different things for co-workers as gift ideas for Christmas that maybe will inspire you, will help you to come up with something that turned out really beautiful. So let's take a look at what we did.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
And cue music. A while back I bought some koa wood for a different project, and I saw this piece here and thought I had to have it. Wasn't sure what I was going to make with it, but this turned out to be the perfect item for it.
Mr. Poor Man measured the pieces, but they were not all precise, and then he cut them. Then he cut random angles to make them unique.
I used my Dremel to give each piece a distressed look. Next was an easy part of drilling holes where the pencils and pen will be held.
Now comes my favorite time. Mr. Poor Man will apply a thin layer of epoxy. After the first coat, we sanded it down smooth.
I used our Cricut to cut out letters on balsa wood to personalize each piece.
Mr. Poor Man is applying the heavy coat of epoxy and removing the bubbles with a heat gun.
I traced the base of each piece onto a sheet of felt and applied it.
And here is our finished product.
For the second gift idea, I used cedar planks from a previous project where we renovated our closet. I cut out notches, and you'll see why in a little bit.
Mr. Poorman drilled a hole and started sanding.
I then epoxied it just as I did on the first project.
A little assembly, and there you have it. Beautiful gifts for our co-workers.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this week's video. Next week we have a very special video that she doesn't know about. We'll have to wait until then.
Until then,
Bye-bye.